Hello, it's Mark with Hydraulic Power Plus. We're going to make a short video on daily maintenance and cleaning of the HPP blind rivet gun. First, we're going to cover disassembly, starting with removal of the anvil tube. Then we're going to remove the puller. First, remove the set screw. Unscrew the puller. Then remove the jaws, shock tube, and spring. Now reviewing the anvil tube, anvil adapter, anvil collar, and don't forget this rubber square O-ring, which helps with the shock. It looks just like this, but it's on the anvil tube. Disassembly of the anvil adapter and ejector. Anvil, ejector. This will accumulate a lot of dirt and grime inside, outside, and inside the anvil. Must clean it. Inside the puller, you'll find 4 jaws, a spring, rubber shock tube. It is very important that this shock tube gets changed out regularly, probably no more than 3 days, and that you compare the spring, the old spring, with a new spring to make sure the length of the spring maintains the same length as a new spring. Reassembly. Take the shock tube, spring, jaws, 4 pieces. Point them vertical right into the puller, push it to the top, just like that. Reassembly of the gun. Reinstall the puller. Hand tight, back it off until you find the set screw hole in the piston. Tighten. Reinstallation, the anvil tube, collar, and anvil. Then take the ejector. Install, carefully put the anvil on, start screwing by hand, then impact 36mm socket. And that's it.